Hi, it's Blake Cahoon of the Angelic Path. How are you guys doing today? I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. We've got some really exciting new videos coming to you. I'm in the middle of editing everything, and I am taking it light this week. It is a holiday week, and so I'm taking it light. It's also my birthday week. Happy birthday to me. I'm just getting older and older and older and wiser and wiser and wiser. So anyway, I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. From the bottom of my heart and everybody who works with me, I want to say we appreciate you and we are so grateful for you. I think 2024 is going to be a fantastic year for everyone. And be sure to have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Many blessings. Until next time. Bye now.